Hey folks, today we are taking a look at Neexa. Could this be the ultimate AI phone agent? They are working on artificial intelligence. Neexa wants to use AI to solve business problems. One major area Neexa looks at is communication. How do companies talk to customers? Often it is by phone, but phones can be tricky. Customers call with many questions and complaints. Human agents are needed, which can be very expensive. Neexa thinks AI can make this better. The people at Neexa are innovators, engineers, designers, and business thinkers. They saw a gap in the market, especially for smaller companies. Neexa aims to provide smart and affordable tools. They believe AI can change how we work, not just for phone calls, but for many tasks. They want to make AI simple enough for anyone to use. That is the future Neexa is building, a future with helpful AI for all. So, what is this Neexa AI phone agent? It is a piece of smart software. Think of it like a digital receptionist or customer service helper. It answers phone calls for a business automatically. No human needs to pick up the phone unless the AI decides it is necessary. It uses advanced AI, including natural language processing, to understand human speech. When a customer calls, they talk normally and the AI listens to their words. It tries to understand what they need and can talk back using a computer-generated voice. The AI agent is connected to a company's database. It can look up order details and find answers to common questions. The company trains the AI first by feeding it information. Essentially, it is like having a virtual employee who can handle many calls and never gets tired. The AI learns from each call and gets better over time. It can understand more accents and handle more complex questions. This continuous learning is very important for its performance. It is like having an employee who works 24/7. Neexa says its AI agent has great features. One big feature is its ability to understand context. It does not just hear words, it tries to grasp the caller's intent. This means it can have more helpful conversations. It can also remember past interactions, making service feel more personal. Another key benefit is cost saving. Hiring human phone agents is expensive, with salaries, training costs, and office space. The AI agent can handle many calls, doing the work of several people. This can save a business a lot of money, especially small to medium-sized businesses. The AI agent also promises improved customer satisfaction by being available always. Customers do not like waiting on hold, they want answers quickly. The AI can answer immediately, day or night, providing instant information. For simple queries, this is perfect, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Furthermore, Neexa highlights scalability. A business might get few calls one day and many calls the next. The AI agent can scale up easily, handling thousands of calls or just a few without any changes needed. This flexibility is a huge advantage for growing businesses. So what are the potential hiccups and hurdles? It all sounds pretty good, but are there any downsides? Yes, there can be. AI is smart, but not perfect. Sometimes the AI might misunderstand a caller, especially with a strong accent or noisy background. This can lead to frustration for the customer. Another point is the lack of human touch. For simple questions, AI is fine, but for complex emotional situations, an AI voice might feel cold and impersonal. Some people just prefer talking to a real human, especially for important matters. There's also the setup and training. Neexa says it is easy, but it still takes time and effort. Businesses need to provide the AI with data and define how it should respond. If the initial training is poor, the AI will perform poorly. This requires an investment of time, which some businesses might find challenging. Finally, what about job displacement? If AI agents handle most calls, what happens to human agents? Companies might reduce their human staff, which is a serious concern for many people. While Neexa might say it frees up humans for better tasks, the reality can be complex. It is something businesses and society must consider carefully. Who else is in the AI phone agent arena with Neexa? Let's take a look at the other guys. Neexa is not alone in this field. There are other companies making AI phone agents. Google has its Contact Center AI and Amazon has Amazon Connect. There are also specialized AI companies like Five9 or TalkDesk. So the market is getting crowded. This means Neexa has competition. How does Neexa compare? They focus on ease of use and affordability for smaller businesses. Some big platforms can be very complex and expensive. Neexa might be aiming for a simpler entry point with quick setup and a more intuitive interface. However, the big players have vast resources and can integrate their phone AI with many other services. Neexa will need to be very innovative and offer something truly special or find a niche market. My personal take? AI phone agents are here to stay. Neexa's product sounds promising, especially for businesses wanting a straightforward solution. Try Neexa now for free by clicking the link in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.